Presides over trial. This court is now in session. The case of the people versus hotel management will now proceed. Prosecutors, you may now present your opening statement.
Your Honor, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, my client Emily Chen was robbed of her valuables during his stay at Golden. We seek compensation of his losses and distress. Your Honor, members of the jury, the evidence will show that the hotel failed to provide adequate security in the lobby. This negligence allow a criminal to pose as guests, robbing my client of their belongings and sense of safety. The hotel's lack of a security guard combined with inadequate surveillance directly enable this crime.
Thank you. Defense your opening statement.
Your Honor, members of the jury, this case is a tragic event, but the defense will prove that the hotel provided reasonable security measures. As per industry standards, the incident occurred due to unforeseen circumstances and was not the result of the negligence on the part of the hotel. Your Honor, members of the jury, Golden Hotel ensures its safety. Emily Chen allegations are counted.
Thank you. The prosecution may call its first witness.
May I call the witness of the victim, Miss Jezabel Arpiano. Miss Jezabel Arpiano, can you describe what happened on that day?
I am Jezabel, check-in at Golden Hotel. As I stepped out, I saw Emily Chen heading to the lobby. When man approached her, she suddenly screamed because her bag was snatched. She asked for help, but nobody assisted her.
Are you sure Miss Jezabel Arpiano of your statement?
Yes, attorney.
So anong ginawa mo nung araw na naganap ang incident?
Nung nangyari yung incident yun, walang man lang staff or security ng hotel para tulungan siya. Kaya nilapitan ko na lang siya.
May I call the victim, Miss Emily Chen, to the stand. Can you describe what happened in the hotel lobby on the day of the incident?
I was checking at the reception desk when someone approached me, giving me directions. Suddenly, they dropped my bag and ran out of the lobby. No one tried to stop them.
Sino ang tumulong sa'yo, Miss Emily Chen?
Miss Jezebel,
Maaari mo bang ituro kung upang ito kung sino ang tumulong sa'yo?
siya po.
Did the robber have a weapon to use force?
No, they didn't show the weapon, but it was sudden and terrifying.
Can you see his face? Can you describe the height, weight, and clothing and skin? How long did you see the robbery?
I think his height is 5'2". Then he's slightly chubby. He's wearing white shirt and he's too fast.
May I call the hotel manager, Miss Raza Torres? are sufficient to prevent incidents like this.
We follow industry standards, and incidents like this are rarely occurred.
Are these security measures common in similar hotels?
Yes, they are standard practice.
May I call the hotel receptionist, Mr. James Patalun, to stand. Mr. Patalun, can you describe what you witnessed during the robbery?
I am James Patalon and I am the receptionist at Golden Hotel. I was helping the victim check in when someone walked in and started a conversation with them. Moments later, they grabbed the back victims and ran out.
Did you attempt to stop the robber or alert security?
Pressed the emergency button to alert security, but they weren't in the lobby at the time.
Was the security button functioning properly? And did security respond?
Yes, security arrived quickly but couldn't catch the robber.
Members of the jury, the hotel's lack of a security guard in the lobby was a glaring oversight. The cameras were not actively monitored, and the emergency response was too late to prevent the robbery. The hotel failed to take duty of care, and the victim paid of the cost. According to Civil Code of the Philippines, Article 217, nagbibigay ng pananagutan sa hotel sa pagkakaroon ng kapabayaan o pagtutulong sa pag-aalaga ng mga ari-arian ng kanyang mga bisita.
Your Honor, members of the jury, the hotel provided reasonable security measures, including cameras and emergency protocols. While this robbery is regrettable, the hotel cannot be held liable for unforeseeable actions of a criminal.
Thank you. The jury will now deliberate. Jury per person. Have you reached the verdict?
Yes, Your Honor. We find the defendant guilty of negligence. Napatunayan sa hukumang ito ang kapabayaan ng Golden Hotel sa biktimang si Emeline Chen.
This case dismissed.
The mock trial was a great way to learn about the legal problems that can happen in tourism and hospitality. It showed how important it is for businesses to follow the law, have responsible employees, keep guests safe, and handle emergencies well. By learning these lessons, businesses can avoid legal troubles and build trust with their guests and customers.